Hey guys, in this video is going to be about a skateboard deck, about Florida. So obviously I needed to paint it a gator and some kind of a sunset. So here that was my try with a stencil, with a freehand about the gator. So I did it on paper first, you can see on top of the board. And since I was happy with the result, I thought I would go ahead and do the same thing on the board, and that's how it looked. I did all the design for the section, you know, and ended up by doing the sunset and then the gator, and Nash approved, so that's great. Then I wanted to do some lettering in a center section, which you know, will say the rolling gator. So I did print the text on some sticky paper that you know, I got from an office store on that paper, which is made for inkjet. So you know, I thought it was a great idea, but you will see later. But first, before doing anything with text, I wanted to spray some clear coat to protect all the design. So at least, you know, if I messed up with a gold leaf or whatever, I can always go back, sand, and go back to square one. So here, this is after 3 coats of clear coat, and yeah, it looks pretty good in the sun. I gotta say that I'm pretty happy with the result. So then I will wet sand with 1200 and to get ready for the lettering. So I wanted some drop shadow with the lettering, so that's what I did first. So to do the drop shadow, I used tape to hold the sticker in place, and for the gold leaf, I put the sticker on the board, and that was kind of a mistake because that paper is not designed to be removed. So the sticky part was very sticky, and you can see on some edges I tried to remove it, and it was very pain in the butt. You can still see some glue residue just under the edge, and here this is my solution was to use some Q-tip that I dipped into acetone, and then I put the acetone on a paper. So the paper sucked the acetone, and I was able to remove it. But it still left a lot of glue residue around it. So that was a lot of cleaning with Q-tips. So don't use that kind of paper. So after all the hard work cleaning everything, I was able to get a final result that was I was happy with. Here this is after a couple of clear coat, and still sanding, you know, wet sand, buffing, usual stuff. And this is how it looks, final product, now ready for shipping. I'm pretty happy, still learning some new skill, and you know, every time I'm doing something like that, I'm learning a lot. So yeah, pretty happy with the result again. Always very hard to get the Flakes effect with a camera. You know, you have a small idea, but you know, in real it's really popping. So anyway. Well guys, thanks for watching, thank you for your support, please like and subscribe, that will help the channel, and see you in the next video.